Transmitter and receiver modules are done, and it's time for the testing of both modules. So the transmitter is powered with the 3.7 volt battery, and on the receiver module you can see the red LED which is glows when I connect the transmitter with the battery. So this is the basically signal LED for the transmitter, and it's very useful for the in the making of the car or robot. So here we can see the 12 volt DC motor which is connected at the output of the receiver, and when I press the switch on the transmitter, then the motor will rotate in the clockwise or anti-clockwise directions, and also the both motors can be driven at the same time. So the range of both modules are very good without any one antenna, and within the antenna you can achieve very good range. And I have make a very useful circuit on the receiver section, so that the motor will shut down when the transmitter is not connected with the receiver or the signal is lost due to any kind of condition. So the in my upcoming video I will also making the robot using these modules, and thank you.